Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Roblox error code 273, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser and then go to roblox.com. Now click on the gear icon on the top right and then log out. After that, search command prompt on your computer. Then click on Run as Administrator. Now run the command as shown here. Type in ipconfig /flushdns and then press enter. Now type in netsh winsock reset. Then press enter again. After that, type in netsh int ip reset. Then press enter. Now close command prompt and restart your computer. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.